Kibido to Osorio. Back to Kibido to Mera. It's a 3 going by Kibido of Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. Namangan ng tatlo ang Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. Ulit mo na rin, wala. Ang gawa ng bola. Tarsida protect, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Molos. Also Mabit, number 15. Tripoli, first personal foul. And first for the team.
Hey, challenge lang, bros.
Kibido to Osorio.
Atas lagong.
15 seconds to shoot. Molos naman kumamada, wala. Foul by Avila. To Tarsida. Tarsida muli, wala. Foul by Kibido. Kibido to Osorio. Osorio bumitaw. Foul ni Tarsida. Long pass to Tripoli. Wala pa rin. Nagawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Tukuya. To Osorio. Tapap doon. May sumabit na naman. Osorio. Number 10. Holding foul. Osorio first personal. Second for the team. Substitution. Biligi route. Pistio coming in. Substitution naman. Kilya out. 8 coming in. Remaining time 5:52. Tumira na naman. In and out. Pakita ng bola. Nakuha ni Urit. Wala pa rin. Nagawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Kibido. Ay Kibido pa rin. Bola to bounce. Marihatag Bullets basketball.
Sus. Panalay. Saray mo advance.
Ang atong score 14-11. 3-point lead. Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. Tarsida to Westbrook. Wala pa rin. Isbaw ni Kibido. Kibido to Molos. Molos lumipad. Cervantes to Basquez. Back to Osorio. To Cervantes. Wala. Down by Molos to Urit. To Kibido.
Balik dyan! Suna!
15 seconds shot clock. Intercepted by Osorio. Osorio walang katakot-takot. To Cervantes. Back to Tripoli. Osorio holding foul. Osorio first personal. First for the team. This line. Pistio to Tripoli. Back to Pistio. Bound by Basquez. Easy putback. Basquez. 13-16. 3-point lead. Kibido Pasabit. 2 points. Kibido. 18-13. Balik na naman sa diba. Deflected, ball out of bounds, Bulto, marihatag bowler. Shot clock down to 17 seconds. 4 minutes and 22. Tripoli tumira. 1, 2, 3 goals by Tripoli. 16-18. Dalawa na lang. Maiso Mabit. Number 10 Osorio. Second personal foul. Third for the team. Substitution. Osorio out. Pontillo coming in. Busing. Pagilid Busing. Osorio Torres for the revenge. 1, 2, 3.
Sir, pakinig sir.
Torres for 3 goals.
Hindi, gayang komite. Tiga kita.
Palitan lang ng 3 points. 3 minutes and 48. Wala pa rin. Down. Kuha ng Osorio. Intercepted by Pontillo. Pontillo to Vasquez. Nasab Magawat. Yugoslavia. Traveling. Salcedosion. Tripoli out. Sarcida coming in. 3 minutes and 34. Pagkasikan period. In score 16 against 21. 5-point lead. Lord Piso Whiteout. Dito na ang atawan. Nice jump shot by Dito. 23-16. Castillo for the revenge. Nice to Madden. Number 12. Kibido nga 12. Kibido, illegal contact to the arm. Tutro.
Mulos.
Substitution, Molos out, Liantino coming in. Unang bitaw, bitaw.
Jod, bitaw.
Last row, miss ball rebound. 0 out of 2. Nakuha ng rebound, nakuha ni Kibido. Kibido to Liantino. Nakuha ni Kibido. Napaganda pa. Iba ka talaga Kibido. May magic. Practice for the revenge. Wati mo. Wala. Claro. Number 1, Liantino. Illegal contact to the arm. Soto. Liantino, first personal foul. Third for the team, Lords Piso Whiteout. He score 25 against 16. 9-point lead. Lords Piso Whiteout. Remaining time, 2 minuto 49 segundos. Sa ikaduhang yugto. First throw, basket count, 1 point by Castillo. Last throw, this ball rebound. One out of 2. Nakuha ni Kibido. Ni Castillo, wala. Nagbahan na sa Santos, wala pa rin. Pag minalas na naman. Intercepted by Pontillo, 2 minutes and 35. Vasquez, Liat, Isutoy, Vasquez. 19 against 25. Aning na lang. Intercepted by Castillo, to Pontillo. It's a bad idea. Liantino for the revenge. Wala, gawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Cervantes. Cervantes na gumadali. Intercepted by Castro. What a nice pass. Walo to Liantino. Back to Osorio. Exactly 2 minutes remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Pontillo to Cervantes. Wala. Follow-up 2 points. Time out. Lord Piso Whiteout. Score 21 against 25. 4 points lead. Lord Piso Whiteout. Remaining time, 1 minuto o 49 segundos sa katuhang yugto. Back to the ball game. Time in for the time out.
1:49.
Lord Piso Whiteout basketball. From the outside, Nabaha to Rick, back to Nabaha, to Walo, to Mira, short, nakuha ni Capso. Nice put back by Capso. 21-27. Baba sa 6 ang lawang. 1 minute and 25. 15 seconds to shoot. Okay, pakilig-kilig na mo gamay sa kanya. 1 minute and 22. Rito na ba to Rick? Patulian Tino. 15 seconds to shoot. To na ba? Flashing through the middle. Nakuha ni wala. Found by Pistigo. Seconds to play. Nakuha ni Pistigan. Wala pa rin, agawa ng bola, nakuha 45. Pagminalas nga naman. 44 seconds, 44. Piligir to Puntillo, to Cervantes. Cervantes lumipad. 2 points, Cervantes. 23-27. 32 remaining time. 30. 15 seconds to shoot. 25. It's bad idea. Set clock off. 21 seconds. Dahil sumabit, napaganda pa. Basket count. Basket count. Number 26. 29 na ba? Warning for penalty, Lord's Piso wipeout. Score 25-27, dalawa na lang. Complete in one. Listo mo Petro, basta na ay Abid fan. Ten. 5. Back to the ball game, time for the third quarter. Wara pa na matoyo, wara pa matoyo. Okay, bola, nagtana. Bola sa kuwan, bola sa marihatag bola. Third na. Third period. Dito ra wala pang referee, inom pang tubig. Daghan na kay permintira pa kuwan, permira sa gasolina. Oh, how are from the outside, Cervantes. So, Tripoli, back to Cervantes. Sumalaksak, may sumabit. Basket count. Number 9. Illegal contact to down. Number 9, Ored. First personal foul. And a penalty situation. Lastro, miss ball rebound. First for the team. Score 30-27. Large foul ni Pisteo. To Baskis. Baskis, what a nice move. Wapi move by Baskis. 32-27. 5 na ang lamang. Portel to Molos. Molos tumira. Natalakas. Baon ni Cervantes. Cervantes na nga madali. Easy liap. Back to back. Score for Cervantes. 34-27. Pito na. Pull up J. Easy jump shot by number 29. Nabaha. 29-34. 5 na lang. For Baradens Vasquez.
Time out daw, time out.
Ang easy liap.
Time out.
Lord's Piso Wi-Fi basketball. Great to Kibido. Nice jump shot by Kibido. 31-36. 5 na lang. Pistio sumalaksak.
Sir, subset.
Number 12. Kinsa nga 12? Doon man eh, Cortel.
Kortel.
Kibido. Third personal foul. Second for the team. Baseline. Substitution. Cortel out. Leantino coming in. From the outside. Vasquez to Pistio to Tripoli. Tumira shot. Long pass to Leantino. If my dash, wala. Leantino again. Easy 2 points. Leantino. 33-36. Tatlo na lang. Avila. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Molos. Molos ang madali. Napaganda pa. Basket count.
And one.
Number 4 Vasquez. Posing foul. Vasquez first personal. And second personal and first for the team. Molos. Wala. Score 35-36. 1 point lead. Marihatag Molos. Intercepted by Cervantes. Counter intercept. Pabandang tira. Wala. Nakuha ni Avila. Avila to Pistio. Pull up jumper. 2 points. Pistio. 38-35. Tatlo na naman. 4 minutes and 28 for the third quarter. Player out of bounds. Di halos makita ang linya. Pistio to Vasquez. Back to Tripoli. To Pistio. Pistio walang mata. Tigil. Pop up down Fermi. Number 14 Cervantes blocking foul, second personal foul and second for the team. Sideline.
Kirahe.
15 seconds to shoot. Molos wati move. What a nice layup by Molos. 37-40. Tatlo na lang. Short. Ball out of bounds. Cervantes. Substitution. Tripoli out. Parasida coming in. 3 minutes and 45 for the third period. Napaganda pa. 39-40. Isa na lang. Fifteen seconds shot clock. Sa traveling violation. 3 minutes and 17. 3 minutos o 17 segundos. Ang score 40-39. Usa na lang. Ibido for lap jumper. Wala. Yung rebound by Pistio. So Cervantes, exactly 3 minutes remaining time. Cervantes pop-up ball. 2 points, Cervantes. Number 14. 42-39. Tatlo na naman. 2 minutes and 45. 15 seconds to shoot. Tino, short. Short pa rin. To Molo. Nice jump shot by Molo.
Malitan.
41-42.
Awan silang mayo.
Tino to Vasquez. Pull up jumper. In and out. Found by Ibido. 2 minutes and 15. To Molos. To Vera. Wala. Kalawit rebound by Cervantes. Cervantes pop-up doon. Wala pa rin. Number 1, Liantino. Holding foul. Liantino second personal foul. Third to the team. Substitution. Molos out. Walo coming in. Cervantes out. Continue coming in. 1 minute and 59. Shot clock down to 17. Ibido ang may tangan. Nakuha ni Sarcida. Nabaha to Walo. Galit si Saigan. Tomera. Deflected. Lords Piso Wi-Fi basketball. 42-41. 1 point lead. Marihatag Buller. 1 minute and 34. Nabaha. Nice jump shot. Nabang na naman ang Lords Piso Wi-Fi ng isa. 43-42. 1 minute and 25.
Sino na tao? Sila, bang last ball.
Ball position, Marihatag Bullets, basketball. Substitution, Urit out, Katso coming in. Shot clock down to 15. 13 seconds shot clock. 1 minute and 16. Wala pa rin. Down. Long pass is a bad idea. 1 minute and 11. Continue ang may tangan. To Sarcida. To Vasquez. To Mira. Tip in. Wala. Agawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Katso. Long pass to Liantino. Easy layup Liantino. 45-42 seconds to play. 50 seconds. 45. 15 to shoot. Deflected. Shot clock down to 14 seconds. 42 seconds. 42. Shot clock down to 14. Wala pa rin. Number 10, Avila, holding foul. Avila, first national, and third to the team. From the outside, Walo to na back. Intercepted by Sarcida, easily up, 26 seconds. 44-45, usanang labaw. 15 seconds to shoot. Liantino tumira, wala. 10 seconds to shoot. Quevedo, rebound. Shot clock off. 7, 5,